Welcome back. Once again, thank you for participating in my absolute favorite part of my year. Now, old school people, first up, where you at? New school people, first timers, where you at? We get to teach new people this year. We did the old timers last time. So, do all of you know I retired? Don't worry, they have side-loaded me. For those of you who weren't at opening ceremonies, after 4 years of vacancy, I am the new ASEN Master of Ceremonies. It doesn't feel right. Hold on. A little more Master of Ceremonies-esque? Excellent. Now, to make this quick, easy, and fun for all of us, the short of this is, we get feedback. Do we all know what feedback is? Do we like it? No. So we have to set the high level, and we have to set the low level. Now, since it's challenging to do the first one now, we're going to start with that. We need the room as quiet as possible for about 10-15 seconds till Willem, our fantastic, excellent, and quite handsome tech host, gives me the thumbs up. So, think about something pleasant. Awesome. Very cool. Hey, there we go. All right. Now we have to get the high level. So, we try to get everyone together to give us the highest level we can. If it's like a wave like, ah, it doesn't work. We really need a quick, ah! Excellent. So, on the count of 3, as much as you can give me. 1, 2, 3. Some old school people in here. All right. By show of hands, you want to do another? I can't see your hands, but I want to do another. So, 1, 2, 3. Friends, this is the happiest moment of my entire year, and I thank you for participating in it to make your show better. I love every one of you. Now, without further ado, if there's anyone who has slightly more stage time and is a lot more handsome than my balding rear end, Bash Bolts, will you please come up here? Bash? Bash? Stripper Bash! Let's keep that. Okay. We're going with that? Just a little short. Ah, yes, yes. Well, to the two of you, I wish you a grandiose evening and a great day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I don't need this. I have 2 legs up here. There you are.